It's time to start adding additional functionality to our app component. Components that extend React component class have additional features, and one of them is state. But what is state? Think of it just as plain JavaScript object to which your component reacts and renders whatever is needed. Let's create our state object and add a property to it with the name of series, and for now this will only be just an empty array. We can access the series array inside the render function by simply getting it from our state object. So just to be sure that everything is working fine, let's print out the length of series array to our page. This.state.series.length. Save app.js. And the length of our series array is rendering to the page, which is 0, and that is correct. So just to keep our project a bit more organized, we already have components folder created. So let's add another folder to it with the name of app and move everything that is connected to the app component to this folder. So app.css, app.js, and app.test.js. Since we moved it to a different folder, we need to change the directory for our app component. So just like that. Also, we need to change the name of our app component since we already have a folder name for it. So just to make it easier, I'll just rename it to index.js. That way we can import it just like our intro component, and we don't need to specify the additional JavaScript file. Okay, so everything is done inside our app folder. So what's left is just to change the import inside index.js. So since we moved this to components folder, let's add components, save index.js, and we have the same page rendering once again.